Super quick 5-minute flow to help you get energized. When you're ready, stand tall, ground into the earth. Palms face out, proudly present the chest, shoulders relaxed. Inhale deeply. Exhale fully. Inhale, arms reach up, look up. Exhale, pour forward, bend the knees as much as you need to touch the hands to the ground. Inhale, lengthen the back. Exhale, bend the knees, step the right foot back to a lunge. Firm the back thigh, press the heel back. Inhale, reach the arms all the way up. As you exhale, hands to heart, bring right elbow to left thigh. Twist fully. Inhale to extend your chest forward, and exhale, twist from the belly. Inhale, look down. Exhale, replace the hands. Take a big breath in, launch forward, lift the back leg up, fold. Bend the knee. Inhale, and as you come up, try to hold onto the leg. Exhale, open your leg out to the side, extend the arm to the side. From here, bring it back. Maybe touch your hand to your heart. Reach for your back foot. Inhale deeply. Press the hips forward, tailbone descends. Mula Bandha is turned on, pulling up through the shelf underneath the legs. Inhaling to lift the left arm up. Exhale, kick back, reach forward, dancer's pose. Knee is facing the ground. Inhale, slowly come back up, release. Bring the leg forward, hands to heart. Exhale, straighten, and let it go. Other side, inhale, arms reach up, look up. Exhale, pour forward. Inhale, back gets long. Exhale, bend the knees, left foot goes back. Extend the heel all the way behind you. Feel grounded and rooted here, and then inhale, reach the arms all the way up. As you exhale, hands to the heart, left elbow, right leg, twist. Inhale, stretch the chest forward. Exhale, twist fully. Take a big breath in. As you exhale, two hands down, launch forward, lifting the back leg up and stretching the hamstring. And then inhale, slowly bend the knee. Grab a hold, find your balance, turn your gaze as you go, and lift up. Exhale to relax the shoulders. Inhale, hand to hip, left hand to the inside of the left knee, or you can extend the hand out to the side. Inhale, slowly look forward. As you exhale, right hand to the heart, left hand behind. Draw the knee to the earth, hips forward, zip the low belly in and up. And then inhale, reach the right arm up. As you exhale, kick back, reach forward, dancer's pose, a little back bend, firm that top thigh. Inhale, slowly come back up. And exhale, release. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lengthen the back. Exhale, plank. Hold it, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale, heels back, crown of the head forward. Exhale fully. Inhale, your strength. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, upward facing dog. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Take one big breath in here. Full breath out. Inhale, bend your knees, look forward. Exhale, float the feet to the hands. Inhale, extend the back long. Exhale, belly to thighs, hips up as you fold. Inhale, hinging from the hips, sweep up, welcome in everything you want to receive today. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Take a big breath in. Full breath out. Big breath in. Inhaling into gratitude for this body, this life, this moment, this strength. Exhale, let that fully sink into every particle of your being. Thank you for this body, this life, and this strength. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.